Hey buddy, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida notary public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And it's so important to have a realtor that has construction training on your side. And that's one of the many things that separates me from the other realtors, is that most realtors have no construction training. So they can't help you like I can to identify defects and issues with a house. Defects are probably the most important thing that a buyer should be focused on, because after you close on the house and you own it, over the coming days, weeks, and months, those defects are going to be on you, whether it's through stress or you have to spend hundreds or thousands of dollars, I should say, but most likely thousands of dollars, because everything's so expensive these days that thousands of dollars is more so anytime you call in a contractor. So just keep that in mind. And it doesn't matter if you're having a house built, or if you're buying a house that's completed, or if it's a used resale home. It's always about defects, defects, defects. Because again, that's what's going to cost you stress and issues in time. And if you have defects that you're unaware of, those defects can potentially damage the house, bring down the value of the house in the future resale. Just think about a house that smells like mold and mildew because it's been leaking for days, weeks, maybe months or years. So let's check out this house. It's the Renown. We're at Webb Sunbridge, which is over in St. Cloud, Florida. And this one has a 3-car garage. 2,808 square feet.
At richnotohomes.com, find the house you're looking for in Central Florida, Orlando, Kissimmee area. Are you interested in a full-time living residential house or a vacation home? Investing in a rental income property? Thinking about selling your home? Look no further than richnotohomes.com. Dependable help from start to finish. Don't make a mistake along the way. Go to richnotohomes.com.
Ooh, it's a hot day and it feels good in here right now, I'll tell you that. So I'm standing over by the front door and it feels very, very spacious and high ceilings as well. So here's a half bathroom. And what is this going to be, a flex room or a bedroom? This is a bedroom. Oh, this is a bedroom with, let's see, here's a walk-in closet. And here is a sink and a toilet and a bathtub. So you got a suite room over here, an en-suite or a second master bedroom if you want to call it that. Stop back here at the closet. And over here's a coat closet. Let's take a left. And this goes into the kitchen. Wow, this is nice. And the HVAC closet is over to the left. Epoxy floor, just that the epoxy floor is over here with this model. And always just a ton of space. Like 3-car garage is just amazing to have. Even if you don't think you need it, it's just great for storage. And if you want to have 2 cars in the future plus storage, that's just fantastic. All right, so the laundry room. Let's see, where does this go? This goes to a bedroom and another walk-in closet. Wow, so a bedroom with another walk-in closet. Let's see, where does this go? Oh wow. Okay, where am I? Where am I going? Here's a shower. So we walked into what's definitely the master bedroom closet, which was over here. Now we're in the master bathroom with a huge shower. And oh man, this is a huge closet. Check that out. And then we have another closet, which is a huge towel closet, and a huge master bedroom. It's a big house, no doubt about it. Yep, so now we're in the dining room area. And here's your kitchen and your living room. And you got a very large covered patio, or the lanai, very large one. So this is the Renown floor plan. And you can see it goes all the way around the lanai. Wow. I wonder if that comes standard or not. That's a question to ask. And also check out my website at richnotohomes.com. You can always find the latest homes for sale at the bottom of each community's page if it's listed on the MLS, so check it out. And Webb Sunbridge is a natural gas community, and you could see gas stove, gourmet kitchen. I'm really looking around at all the, big pantry. All the countertop space, and let's see, what was this again? This was the HVAC closet, that's right. And this was a big flex room. We're back in the first bedroom. Another view of your kitchen, and your dining room, and your living room. This definitely feels like a luxury house. Doesn't quite have the luxury upgrades, but almost that. Feels great. I think I'm going to walk this way through the master bedroom just to take another look at the closet, and that was a towel closet, and the bathroom. Just because I came from the other way and was surprised. And I do think that I have a video of this model somewhere else, maybe in Mineola, or I don't think this was in Winter Garden, but it was on another one of the Del Webbs, I think. That's right, this is an excellent room too. I mean, it's a large room, plus the bathroom. So I think that this is a great house for somebody that wants multiple suites. Meaning the bedroom and the bathroom is attached. So if that's what you want, plus you want a very large house that's a single story with a huge covered patio, I think this is the house for you. And it's all a single story for, I believe it was 2,800 something square feet. I'm going to check the sign again on the way out. See the sign. Yep, 2,808 square feet, the Renown.